Hello my dreamers and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be an exciting one. I am going to be doing a makeup challenge. It's going to be the one dip makeup challenge. And I've seen this challenge gone around YouTube for a while now, and I'm finally able to sit down and film this for you guys, and I'm really excited to take on this challenge. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I did, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. Okay, so I always start off with my eyes, and I've already primed with the P. Louise base. For today's eyeshadow palette, I want to go in with this Visart or Viseart. I'm just going to go with Visart. I decided to go into this palette because I heard that it is more catered towards professional makeup artists. So I just think that maybe it'll be a little bit more pigmented. This is a True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight palette. So I'll be using the blush, bronzer, and highlight from this palette. So let's get right into it, and let's start off with the eyes. Oh, I'm really not sure what I want to do with the eyes. Of course, I want to go in with the transition color, so I'm thinking of going in with this brown shade right here. Oh, maybe this one. It's kind of like a light mustardy shade. I'm just going to do one dip. As you can see, one dip. Ooh, you see all that powder? Looks really dark now that I smush the brush in there. Slowly just tap it. Oh, this looks really dark already. I'm just gonna put it on both sides. Oh, it actually is really pigmented though. Okay. Ooh, wow, yeah. Oh, oh my goodness. Yeah, this became really dark. Okay, wow, this is, woo. This is quite intense. I'm just gonna use this as an all-over color on my eyes because, yeah, it turned out to be a little bit darker than I wanted it to. Let's just take the time to kind of like blend it out now, since I really can't go back anymore. Oh darn, this side. I'm gonna use another brush, another clean brush. Maybe I'll go in with the lighter color this time so I can kind of put it up on top of this color. This shade up here, it's kind of like more of a light apricot. Okay, just one dip. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do this time, just that one time. Oh, okay, this. Oh man, I think I put a little bit too much on this side. Okay, well, let's just blend it out. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is the eyes. I just realized that this is an all matte palette, so it doesn't have any shimmers or anything. So I'm just gonna go in with this Nars palette here. This is the Nars Extreme Effects eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using this shimmer brown shade on the side here. I'm going in with a brush, so I'm just gonna do one dip on here. And let's move on to the face. For the primer, I'm going in with this glowy makeup serum from Laneige, and I really like this because it's a dropper, so whatever I have on here, this is going to literally be what I'm going to be putting on my face. I'm just going to put it. Oh, that's actually a lot. I'm going in with a foundation next, and this is from e.l.f. This is their Flawless Finish foundation, and I actually really like this foundation as well. It's pretty full coverage, so I'm just going to put one drop on here. What? No way. Oh, that's, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's kind of dirty, but that came out pretty small. Well, it is what it is. This is a challenge, so this is what I have to work with. Just grab whatever I have on this coaster. I do still have some concealer anyway, so hopefully the concealer will be a little bit better than this. I swear that pump made me. Right, this is fine. This is fine. I still have some concealer that I can use, so I'm going back into this coaster, and then I have my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to dip the wand in. I'm just going to grab whatever I can from this and whatever I have is what I'm using, and it does not look a lot at all. I mean, I guess I could put it on my face since this is the only one that I'm going to be using, so I'll just make sure to dot this around more evenly. I'm going to put it more on my cheek areas. That's where I have like a lot of my blemishes. Okay, so that's all that I'm using. I'm putting the concealer back, and then I'm going back in with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend it out. The concealer really saved me on here. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. And this is going to be what I'm using on my face. I'm not really familiar with this brand, so I'm not really sure if it's pigmented. I'm just gonna go in and try my best to make this work. So I have a clean brush here. This is from ColourPop. And I'm going in with this shade called Good Fortune. I feel like this will be a good shade for bronzing. One dip. Again, a lot of powder. Put what I can on the cheekbones. Just going to dip it in. Tap out a little bit. So this is all I have on the brush. Just going to tap this. I'm just trying to distribute the color a little bit more evenly. Oh goodness, I didn't realize that I also need to do one dip for under my eyes. Unless I go with a different color. Should I go in with a blue? Should I go in with this blue or this pink? Yeah, a little bit of pink underneath my eyes. Maybe I should, yeah. I'm going in with a clean brush right here. And I'm going in with this pink color, purple pink color. I'm going to do one dip here. I feel like this is a really pigmented palette. So I guess it's definitely worth the price because Visart is pretty pricey. Just going to blend the color a little bit. I want to add a liner on top of my eyes. I'm going in with this dark brown color from here. Just going to do one dip right here. Just want to focus this a little bit more on the outside so it can have that wing effect. I'm just going to quickly add some highlights onto my face and go in with this shade called Heaven Sent. I'm going with another clean brush and I'm going back into that Heaven Sent shade. I'm going to do one dip of that and put that on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to quickly finish my eyes off with these lashes because there's nothing I can really do with the lashes besides putting glue on them. I'm going to take this off camera and I'll be right back. And I'm back. I got some lashes on and I did my brows. My brows have to at least look a little decent compared to everything else. My eyes are the most messed up, sadly, because I really messed up on that part. So yeah, so the brows need to at least look a little decent and my lashes are alright. They're not the best either, but I'm working with what I have. I'm almost done with this video, so let's just get right on to it. We have some lips to get on with. So this is a Burberry Liquid Lip Velvet in the color Fawn or number 5. It's more of a darker color. I actually got this from TJ Maxx, you guys, online. I know, they were selling Burberry. And I think it was like under $20 too, so total steal. But yeah, this is more of a dark mauve color. So this is the one dip that I have. I'm going to just apply it onto the lips like this without dipping it back in. I'm just going to work with what I have. Alright, not bad. Alright, so I'm going to end this with face mist, and I'm only gonna do one spritz. Get whatever I can. Alright, I thought that was useless. Alright, so and this is the look. So, like I said earlier, I feel like I needed to make the brows a little bit decent because everything else looked okay, but it's not the best. My eyes especially, this side is not blended because I kind of really messed up on this part. Like this, there's like a patchy part right here that I couldn't blend in, but you know, I did what I could. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.